Hi, my name is Eric. Welcome to Fine Mathematics. And I am here to show you the artistic side of math. It is my sole intention to demystify math for anybody, for teachers, for students, or for whoever else may be interested in understanding how beautiful math is. One day I was visiting the Library of Alexandria in Egypt, and downstairs in the basement they have a museum. And in the museum they had old books from the ancient library 2,000 years ago, which was one of the greatest libraries the ancient world ever had. And in the basement I saw mathematics on Euclid's geometry. And right then and there, chill went down my spine and I felt a link in time. Math has connected us all the way through thousands of years and evolved our civilization to this point. Math is something that we don't get a lot of history from when we're teaching it to our students. But if we understood how math was used or how people were using it thousands of years ago, it might demystify math. It may spark more interest in math. Because one of the most profound things in math is that an ability to predict, the ability to see beyond our senses, the ability to grow our society in a more technological, efficient way to understand processes in nature, the universe, that may necessarily be intuitive to us. It is literally a crystal ball into our universe, our world. Besides being a heavily rigorous activity that allows us to sharpen our cognitive abilities. It sharpens our thinking skills. It teaches us how to be rigorous and how to be precise, even if we never become a mathematician, an engineer, or a physicist, or something of that nature. In my opinion, math is something that we all need, particularly with the future of technology is bringing us on the precipice of many new questions that it will take a population to be able to think rationally at a more rigorous scale. The umbrella of Fine Mathematics, and in there are two sub-elements. They go hand in hand. One of them is cafe calculations, where I sit in different locations over a cup of coffee and explain a math procedure. Anything from basic polynomial multiplication all the way up to integral calculus, and eventually even some physics and stuff as well. Cafe calculations is meant to be a more informal way of me explaining how to use the mathematics in whatever derivation I may be doing. The supplement to that would be the Fine Mathematics lesson. You will see the same calculation or the same derivation on Fine Mathematics, which is just a clear board where you just copy, there's no dialogue, and you just copy in front of a gorgeous setting with nice, peaceful music to set the mood and hone in the mind to be able to perform mathematics. The goal is to use cafe calculations in tandem with Fine Mathematics lessons, and you keep repeating them until you can do it from memory, until you can do it without having to look on the video. Fine Mathematics is a wonderful tool for anybody, for teachers, for students, or for whoever. I encourage adults, grab a cup of coffee and train. See if you remember some of those old math theorems. Just copy along, listen to music, enjoy the scenery. Let your mind calm down. It's very meditative. It's one of the few byproducts I learned while being in college, that by slowing down and writing neatly, it actually was a very soothing process to kind of manipulate the equations around and end up at a final product. I hope everybody enjoys mathematics, and hopefully more people can enjoy the process of math and enjoy how beautiful it is and how powerful it is in our society. I encourage everybody to become a Fine Mathematics member. Please follow the link over to our Patreon page and enjoy our member benefits as well as all of our upcoming cafe calculations in Fine Mathematics. And remember, enjoy the process.